So this is how you play the next part of our song on the Mbira dzavadzimu. So this is what we did on the last video. And the second step was now we want to go to the third step that sounds like this. So a lot more things are happening here, so let's break everything down into simple steps starting on the left hand side. So on the left hand side, the first three notes that we were playing on the left hand side, we were playing them like this. So those are the same three notes that we are playing. But one interesting thing about the Mbira dzavadzimu is on the left hand side there's a top row and there is a second row, and the second row has the bassier notes, which are also the bigger brothers of the notes that are on top. So the bigger brother of the first note is on its right hand side at the bottom. And then the second and third note, the bigger brothers, are just underneath but on the left hand side this time. So we play first note and then we repeat that third note there. So it will sound like this. And then when we do the cycle again, now instead of that note, we do the biggest ones that are close on the middle to the middle there. So it will sound like this. So that will be it for this video, and it will give you enough things to work on. And then on the next video, we'll combine the left hand and the right hand side. It will sound like. And then on the other video, it keeps on getting more and more complicated. It will sound like this.